Hi guys, welcome again to another series of Ebony Beauty Ventures. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to do a smoky eyeshadow. So firstly, I use gel eyebrow filler, which is black. I took it out and I use it on the eyeshadow area, not too much on the brush. I fill it in properly till I have a well dark to the crease area. I blend it till everything is well blended. Then I use a natural eyeshadow palette to conceal the upper part of the eyeshadow. Then I blend till everything is well blended, and I make sure everything is blended before I proceed to the other part of the eyeshadow. I hope you learn one or two things in this video. It's very simple to do a smoky eyeshadow, and you can either use a eyeshadow, but this gel liner eyebrow filler brings out the smoky eye perfectly, so that's why we are using it, and it's dry up in a bit, so it's very recommended to all makeup artists. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.